So right now I'm standing in front of the front door of our room at the Cosmopolitan Resort in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna give you a wide angle view with this GoPro of what the room looks like and what it features. So here we go, let's flip this around. Right when you walk in, here's the door. You walk in, right to your right, you have this beautiful large bathroom. Take a look at this. Look at the jacuzzi tub, and look at the shower. It's a sit-in shower. Nice and spacious, you can sit, all this good stuff. And outside the shower right next door, you have this toilet room. So you can separate yourself from your significant other from the rest of the bathroom, which is really nice. Now when you step out of the bathroom, come over here to the living room area, which is really nice. Nice art on the wall. Across from the couches, you have this big screen TV. And there's outlets all over the room, which is a nice plus too. I know all our junk is here right now. We kind of just set up shop, but here's a little work desk for you. Here's a little station with all stuff that if you touch, you buy. You don't want to do that. They got an iPad over here where you could actually adjust room controls and have guest services and stuff like that. Ice bucket. Kita's putting her stuff up. I got my stuff set up in this beautiful closet over here. They give you tons of hangers and they give you 2 robes. And a luggage rack is in there. And here's the nice big bed with another little TV over here. And there's also a little closet next to the other closet, and this is where you have your safe and your iron and whatnot. And the holy grail of the entire place is right here. This beautiful, beautiful balcony. We've got a couch over here and a sign that tells you to only smoke outside and not inside. Fair enough. But look at this. Beauty. It doesn't get better than this. A nice view of the Bellagio fountains. Balcony view. You got Caesar's Palace in the distance. Bellagio right next door. Paris right across the way. Flamingo down there. Very nice.